In my last video, I shared with you that the biggest problem industries were facing was that of supply chain. Now, the second biggest problem, according to the Agility report, is the recruitment challenge. So, the National Statistics have done a survey. 91,000 jobs are vacant in the UK manufacturing sector. Why? Because the first problem is the retention issues, the global economic condition. The third is the skill set. The fourth one is the cash flow. Now, how did it all start? Because after the pandemic, people were working from home. Now, after spending time with family and your loved ones, they are unable to move to the site or to the office. They still prefer working from home. But the manufacturing industries still want a labor actively working on site. So, the industries are focusing on some other things. Now, earlier they were used to evaluate a candidate with academic capabilities. Now they are focusing on the right attitude and the mindset to work with the company for a longer term. So that skill set will help the industries to focus on a long term and avoid the retention issues that they are facing right now.